Oh, she's bright. Hello, I'm Taylor Ann Gallo, and I just received my June Glam bag and BoxyCharm, and I can't wait to see what's in it. Starting off first, we got this adorable flower little makeup bag, which I have makeup coming out of all places, so a makeup bag is always a must. And see, look, it says IPSY right there on the zipper. It's adorable. Got the eyes, it got the little flowers, and look, there's hearts in the middle. Next, we have these conga liners. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and what I love about this, it comes with a black and a brown. So you can switch it up. If you're not sure what you're in the mood for, you could do a little black for nighttime. You could do the brown for daytime. It has something for everybody. This is what they look like. I am going to swatch it for you as well. This is the brown. Nice little brown color. And now we're going to go in with the black. And here she is. That's both of them swatched. And also they do smudge, so if you want to do like a little bit of a smoky eye using it as a base, it'd probably work out very well. What do we have next? Let me see. We got this Do La La from Benefit. This is Liquid Glow Illuminator. Let me see what she looks like. Here she is. I'm going to swatch her for you as well. Running out of fingers to swatch. So it gives a very like natural glow. This is definitely very nice for the summertime. It looks like it's gonna melt right into the skin. And then we also have this Lovecraft Beauty. This is a multi-face palette. I love something like this because you could always use it on the eyes. You could use it on the face. It's gonna get you a long way. You throw it in your bag, you have everything right in one little compact. This is what she's looking like. She has a nice little blush, bronzer, and highlighter. I'll swatch the highlighter for you. I'm gonna put it right on top of that Benefit actually to see how that picks up. Look at her go. I'm gonna add a little bit to my nose right now. Oh, she's bright. I love a good little highlight. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush on top of my makeup right now too. Nice little pink color, very cute. Let me see, this is like the gift that keeps on giving. I think it's gonna end and there's still more stuff coming out of this box. We have this INH Quick Slick. I'm not really a slick back girly, I'll be honest with you, but I always do have flyaways, so this will be good just to like fix anything that's going on up here and give it a nice sleek approach, even though I'm not slicking anything back. They got this Gold Fatten MD Radiance Whip Brightening Treatment Mask. So at night when I'm done taking off my makeup, I don't pop this on. I feel like I'm having a little spa moment. And last but not least, we got this Beauty For Real lip oil. I love a good little lip oil. You just pop her on and you keep it pushing. Nice and light on the lips, not sticky. We don't like sticky stuff over here. Very cute. This is what I got in this month's June BoxyCharm. We got this Morphe SPF 30 Sunsetter Setting Spray. I love something like this for the summer. It's June. We need our SPF on our face. This is what she's looking like. Let's give her a little miss. It's SPF. You need her anyways in the summer. Next, we got one of my favorites. I was shocked when I saw this in this month's box. The Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. I'm already done with my one that I already own, so the fact that this came in just in time. And if you haven't seen her yet, here she is. She's beautiful. She also has a really nice silicone type of texture. Let me squeeze her out. Don't want to waste too much. She's good. It's a nice gel-like blurring type of consistency, and it feels great on the skin. Next, we got another big name brand, Miss Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Concealer. I haven't tried this, so I am very excited to give her a try. Anything Danessa usually blows me away. Here she is. Cute little bottle. Perfect for on the go. Slip her right into your bag. Let's see. The shade. This is shade, I believe, 2. This is shade 4. Here she is. She has beautiful coverage also, and it melts right into the skin. Got this Fenty Skin, which I never tried anything from Fenty Skin, so I'm very excited. This is their Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream. I'm going to do a little twisty so you can see what she looks like. There she is. She comes out right on top. All you have to do is twist her. She comes out right on top. They put a little bit of everything in these boxes, which I love because I never know what I want. So you put everything in a box. It's like a little surprise every month. Make sure to like this video and put down below in the comments what was your favorite product that I showed you today. And make sure you subscribe so you stay in the know.